How to create a private server on Roblox Mobile. So if you want to create a private server on your Roblox Mobile, then what you need to do, open up your Roblox application. Once you open up your Roblox, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you'll have this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is just go with a game. You can simply choose any game that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing a game. Tap on it. Once you choose the game, now you just need to simply drag it upwards. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you will have servers option. Tap on servers. Once you tap on servers, then you will get the servers page through which you can create your server. So you just need to simply tap on create private server, and you need to have 99 Robux to purchase this item. So if you have the funds, if you have the sufficient funds, you just need to simply go and purchase. Once you've purchased, you'll be able to create your private server. But in some games or in some other things, you won't have the option to pay. You may get a free private server, but in many cases you'll have the option to buy the server at first. So I'll just show an example of the free server. You can just go back and you can simply search for a game, which is Adopt Me. Now once you search for the game, here you'll have the game right here. You just need to simply tap on it and you need to swipe upside and go with the servers section. Now once you're on the servers, here you can see that this doesn't have any price. It's free. So just need to simply tap on create private server, and then you need to enter the server name and then go with buy now, which is 0 Robux. You just need to simply tap on buy now and you'll be able to create your private server. So that's how you can create a private server on your Roblox Mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.